Dubai is famous for its skyscrapers and supercars, but if you've ever been there, you probably noticed something else: how clean it is. In a city surrounded by desert, with rapid growth and millions of visitors each year, how does Dubai stay so spotless? First, it starts with planning. Dubai's government has invested heavily in infrastructure designed to keep the city clean from the ground up. Streets are designed to minimize litter buildup, drainage systems are modern and efficient, and public areas are constantly maintained. But the real secret lies in the city's strict policies and the people who carry them out. Dubai enforces some of the world's toughest public cleanliness laws. Littering, spitting, and even chewing gum in the wrong place can lead to hefty fines. This zero-tolerance approach discourages bad behavior and sets a high standard for residents and visitors alike. Street cleaning crews are also out around the clock, sweeping, washing, and maintaining roads, walkways, and public spaces. The climate plays a role too. Because Dubai is so dry, organic waste doesn't decompose as quickly, meaning trash doesn't rot or smell the way it might in more humid places. Combine that with modern waste management systems, and you get a city that smells as clean as it looks. But it's not just about cleanliness, it's about image. Dubai has worked hard to brand itself as a futuristic, luxurious city, and a spotless appearance is part of that brand. Neighborhoods, highways, and even construction zones are kept looking tidy. Even in busy areas like Dubai Marina or the Gold Souk, you'll find an unusually clean environment. A lot of credit also goes to the city's workforce. Thousands of sanitation workers, many from South Asia and other parts of the developing world, work long hours to keep Dubai clean. From emptying bins to cleaning high-rise windows, they play an essential role in the city's polished look. It's a part of the system that's often hidden from view, but absolutely crucial. Dubai also uses smart technologies to monitor cleanliness. Waste collection trucks are GPS-tracked, sensors are installed in bins to detect when they're full, and cleaning schedules are adjusted using data analytics. Even things like pest control are handled with a high-tech approach to reduce any signs of filth. Then there's the cultural factor. With such a diverse population, public messaging around cleanliness is consistent and visible on signs, in announcements, and even in schools. Cleanliness is seen not just as a civic duty, but as a part of everyday life. For many people in Dubai, keeping their surroundings clean is a matter of personal pride. But it's also important to mention that the image of a perfectly clean Dubai has its critics. Much of the hard labor is done by migrant workers under strict conditions, and the city's outer industrial zones can look very different from the polished urban core. So while Dubai appears spotless on the surface, it comes with a complex and sometimes controversial system underneath. Still, when you walk down the streets of Dubai, the result is hard to ignore. Trash-free sidewalks, shiny glass buildings, pristine beaches. For a city in the heart of a sandy desert, that's an impressive achievement. Whether you admire the efficiency or question the trade-offs, Dubai has made cleanliness one of its most visible accomplishments. And while this video is based on publicly available and reputable sources, always do your own research, especially when looking at a city as complex and fast-changing as Dubai. Thanks for watching. Is it clean where you're from?